Episode 2. Beginner's Guide to Zapier. Automate without coding. Have you ever wished your apps could talk to each other and work on their own? That's exactly what Zapier does. Welcome back to Garcar AI Tech. In this episode, we're diving into Zapier, the ultimate tool for automating tasks without writing a single line of code. Zapier connects your favorite apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and thousands more by creating automated workflows called zaps. A zap consists of a trigger, an event that starts the automation, and an action, what happens next. For example, you can set up a zap to automatically save email attachments to Google, drive or post social media updates from a spreadsheet. It's that easy. Today, we'll show you how to set up your first zap, step by step. By the end of this episode, you'll be automating everyday tasks effortlessly. No coding required.